Hello, Sean here again, back for another adventure in the paradise of Krabi, Thailand, off to Railay Beach. Come along for the ride, should be a good one. Let's go. Alright, just here at Railay Beach. Just going to find the place that I'm booked into and check in, and then I'll show you the room. Alright, let's go. Pretty awesome view, and this is the room. So I woke up to a cloudy morning this morning, but the sun is just starting to come out, which is great. I'm looking to hike to the Railay Viewpoint and find the secret lagoon. The viewpoint is pretty amazing, and then this secret lagoon is one of the unseen locations of Railay. Let's get to it. I'm just here at the base of the climb up. It's about to make my way up. Have a look at this. So this is the way to the viewpoint and the lagoon. So it's a bit of a climb up. I'll have to pack away the GoPro to do this. But let's do it. I'll see you at the top. Bit challenging, good exercise. I think I'm about halfway up, so not too far to go. Alright, just made it up to the viewpoint. Have a look at this. Make sure you do have a certain fitness level. You do have to be confident to do this climb. It is a bit challenging. Make sure you bring water. It's definitely worth it. But yeah, this is it. Right, let's find the lagoon. Almost there. Here's an example of what you need to climb up and down. Alright, made it down to the bottom of the lagoon, and it's pretty cool. Really nice here. Definitely worth the trek down if you can do it, but only do it if you're confident. It's pretty awesome. It's a challenging climb down, lots of ropes, pretty much 90 degrees at certain times for 2 meters. And you do that more than once. So looking forward to getting back. It is very challenging, so take your time, take breaks. There's no rush. Avoid getting shoes wet because a lot of this is covered in clay. Wet shoes on clay is not good, so it makes things very slippery. Avoid rain as well. You do not want to be doing this anytime near rainfall. Now, with the adventures and activities we do on this channel, it wouldn't be right if we didn't at least let you know about travel and medical cover. We do suggest safety wings. They offer great value cover at competitive prices. They cover hospital and medical, accidents and injuries, scooters and motorbikes. They have an easy sign-up process. You can sign up whilst you're overseas, 24-hour customer service, and it's worldwide cover. Our link is in the description below. If you use our link to sign up for Safety Wings, we do get a small payment from Safety Wings. So it does help support the channel, and we do appreciate the support. Let's get back to the top. Just a break. I have a well-earned beer. This is Leo, local beer here in Thailand. And just a light lunch, muesli, fruit and yogurt. If you head to Railay West from Railay East at the furthest south point, you'll get this footpath that goes through some pretty amazing caves. Here it is, check it out. Looks pretty awesome. Alright, let's get to Railay West. Alright, just here at Prah Cave Beach. Right down there is the Princess Caves. Bit of a story to it. People who are looking to have children, they make these dildos and they put them at the Princess Cave. It's a gift to help them be fertile and have children. So that's the idea. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Princess Cave. So they make these objects to offer to the princess. There's two parts of it. This is the main area, and then there's another area just over here as well. Look at this! Railay Beach, pretty awesome. So it's pronounced Prah. So Prah Beach, but it's PH. So in Thailand, PH is still pronounced a P. It's not a silent P. Pretty awesome beach. Pretty overcast, so it's not the best day. It's actually a bit better, especially at the time we're at the beach now. It's about 2 in the afternoon. If the sun was out, the sun's really strong, so this is actually nice. The entrance to the lagoon is in Railay East. I'll leave a link in the description to show you guys where it is. There is a map as well at the bottom. But yeah, it's certainly worth it, but only do it if you're confident you can do it. Otherwise, enjoy the footage. I did it so then you didn't have to. So I hope you enjoy it. This is Railay East. at Paradise Adventures, we're all about going on amazing adventures in unbelievable locations. If that is something you like, then hit the like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a video, because we've got a lot of good stuff coming.